In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section or chapter numbers to page numbers in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac. This feature is especially useful when you're working on long documents such as reports, books, or academic papers. Adding chapter numbers to page numbers helps organize your document more clearly and allows readers to quickly identify which section or chapter they are in. For example, instead of simple page numbers like 1, 2, or 3, you can display page numbers as 1-1, 1-2, or 2-1, where the first number represents the chapter or section. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure that your chapters or major sections are already formatted using Word's built-in heading styles. Typically, chapter titles use the heading 1 style. This is important because Word relies on these heading styles to automatically detect and display chapter numbers. Once your headings are properly styled, the next step is to apply numbering to those headings. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and locate the multi-level list button in the paragraph group. Click the drop-down arrow and choose a list style that includes numbering for heading 1. When you apply this option, each chapter title will automatically receive a number. After your chapter titles are numbered, you can now add page numbers that include the chapter number. Move your cursor to the top or bottom of the page where you want the page numbers to appear. Then go to the Insert tab and click Page Number. Choose your preferred location, such as the top of the page or the bottom of the page, and select a simple page number style. Once the page numbers appear, double-click the header or footer area to activate editing mode. In the Header and Footer tab that appears, click Page Number again and select Format Page Numbers. This will open the page number format window where you can customize how your page numbers are displayed. Inside this window, look for the option labeled Include Chapter Number. Check this box to enable it. Below that, you will see a setting that allows you to choose which heading style represents your chapter number. Select Heading 1. If that is the style you used for your chapter titles. You can also choose the separator that appears between the chapter number and the page number, such as a dash or period. Once everything is set the way you want it, click OK to apply the changes. Word will now automatically display page numbers that include the chapter number throughout your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.